Hey guys, welcome to Kee's Way. So guys, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, okay? You're not gonna regret it. I got a lot of great content coming for you all, and hit the like button. I know you haven't watched the video yet, just do it because you're gonna forget. You're gonna forget, okay? My voice is cracking like crazy. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. So y'all, today I'm gonna be playing a game called Cooking Crush. Laura, shout out to you, Laura. She said she likes cooking games, and I was like, well, what kind of games do you like? And she suggested this one, so I'm gonna give it a try. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. My volume was turned all the way up in these headphones. So hi chef, welcome to Heartopia. To make the world's most delicious dishes, we must cook with love. Let's start with the French toast. This is Susie, she's a regular here. Make her order as quick as you can to keep her happy and make the most money. Look like she's craving some delicious French toast. Sorry y'all. We also have hot coffee for everyone, okay. Oh, we have a cat man, okay. Alright. Okay. Some more toast. Alright. 4 seconds. Boom. Boom. You want some coffee? I got you. We are killing this. Toast. Alright. Voila. I know it's voila. Okay. Dang, that look good. Why is all the music incredibly loud? Alright, I'm gonna just take my headphones out. Look cool whip. Okay. Oh, I thought it was warm coffee. Oh, he did get some warm coffee. It's okay. So she wants the one without and with whipped cream. Okay, boom. There you go. Don't cry. Okay. Boom. This is too... There you go. Get out my face. That French toast with the whipped cream and berries now. Win this level on the first try to double. Okay. To complete this level, you'll need to serve all required dishes to your customers. Okay. Okay. There you go. Well, here you go, lady. There's some coffee. Nobody needed. Why am I pressing that? Why am I doing that? Nobody wants that. I don't have anywhere else to put it. Can I trash this? Okay. Alright. There's your coffee. Sorry, lady. This is on the house. You need more coffee? Get out my face. Here, you can take that. You get this because you've been waiting, okay? Alright. Let me get you first. You wanted butter. Okay. We're doing this. Alright. We won. Yeah, I got the rewards. I'm kind of mad because I could have really messed up if nobody wanted that buttered toast. It's very addicting. Okay, there you go. Here's some with that. Here's some with, yep. Okay, there's some coffee. This is for you, sir. I do this. Here, take your coffee. Get out of here. Don't come back. Alright, here's some coffee. Oh my gosh, never come back again. Okay, get this and get out of my face. And there you go. Alright, get out of here. Alright. Yep, leave a tip. All right. I just keep getting extra points. This is so easy. But this was really fun though. This was very addicting, like seriously. Every top chef uses the best equipment. Oh, okay. Tap to upgrade. Sure. Yes, I definitely need more plates. That's upgrade. Berries. Ooh. Okay. She just wants regular toast. Okay, get out of here. Okay. Nobody. Oh, it's gonna burn. I thought I just gave her one, but okay. Why is that go to the cat lady? Dang. Why is it not going to the cat lady? Take one of these cold coffees. All right. Did it. Only wasted one piece of bread. Oh, sorry. Okay, play. All right, I'm gonna do this one and then complete the level. Yeah. Oh, before the time run out. Okay. Better take this. Yep. Eat it. Everybody get coffee. Just take it. Just take it. Take the coffee here. Come here every day for coffee. And that's it. You don't want to try my food? Okay, hold on now. Hold on. Hold on. Here. Nobody else wants coffee. Okay. Here. Here. Give it to her. Okay. Take these coffees. Oh! Oh, I still won. Okay. Oh. Okay, one more. One more. And then. What's this? Okay, one more. Give us likes. Oh, okay. This is what I do, guys. Why did I make that for her? Okay, that goes to her. Okay. Give it to them. What's on the link? Okay, he finally tried a piece of toast. I guess that's okay. This is too addicting. Well, Laura, I see why you like this game. Well, this was a really great suggestion. I really enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys would like to play this game. I'm already addicted to this. Probably shouldn't have downloaded this. But guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed playing this. Thanks again, Laura, for the suggestion. And please leave a thumbs up. Don't leave a thumbs down. Just don't do it. You don't want to do that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you all for watching this one, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.